Hello and welcome to another video for this series. To continue, we are going to talk more about variables in Python. As we have seen from the previous video, we don't have to declare the type of a variable in Python. Python is a dynamically typed language, so whatever type the value we give it to the variable, that will be the type of that variable. So if the type of the value we give to a variable changed, the type of that variable will change also. That is one of the differences between statically typed and dynamically typed languages. Let's create a variable with type integer. Then let's print the type. Now let's change the value of this variable, but this time let's also change its type to string. Then let's print its type. As we can see, the type is now changed to string. Now this is not possible for statically typed languages. To give you an example, let's try to look at another programming language called Swift. Now Swift is a statically typed language. Now suppose we have the same example as in Python. Let's declare a variable called variable and assign a 25 value to it. Now let's print the type of it. Now the integer type is printed. Let's assign a new value to the variable. Let's try a string. Then let's print its type. Then let's run again. Now we have an error saying that we cannot assign a string to an int variable. Now you have seen the difference between a dynamically typed language versus a statically typed language. So what does this tell us? It's saying that Python is very flexible in terms of assigning values to our variables. But in connection with this, we also have to be more careful in handling our variables, right? So that's it for today. I hope you learned how dynamic languages works with variables. So I hope you get value from this content. Follow for more.